So now that you have received your unconditional offer and you have decided to go ahead with studying in the UK, the next step is your visa process. And this video is going to guide you step by step through that journey, from requesting your CAS to preparing for the credibility interview and making sure you understand the financial requirements involved. In order to apply for the UK student visa, you need a CAS. That's your confirmation of acceptance for studies. It's a document issued by the university after you have met all conditions of your offer. So it will only be issued after you have submitted all required documents, you satisfied the English language requirement, you made the initial deposit if it is required by the university. Some universities will ask for a credibility interview before issuing CAS. And you must understand that CAS is the most critical document. You cannot apply for your UK visa without it. Now let's talk about the financial requirement. In order to comply with the financial requirement for UKVI, you must maintain your finances in a compliant bank account. There are certain conditions that you need to adhere to. Number one, you must maintain the necessary funds in a bank account for 28 consecutive days. It must not be dated more than 31 days before the visa application date. It must be in your name or your parents' name and should be supported with a consent letter from your parent. The amount you need to show is the remaining tuition fees after paying your deposit, plus living expenses, which are going to be different for London, slightly higher than any city outside London. If your university is covering accommodation or you've paid more in advance, these may be deducted, but generally speaking, you must account for the entire living expenses for the city that you are going to. As popularity increases for admission in the UK, the UKVI has become more stringent in its requirements and may expect you to appear for a credibility interview. This is something that not every student is required to go through, but for those who are, they must appear for the credibility interview. And while it is not a test of your English or academics, it is a way for the university or UKVI to judge if you're a genuine student. You may be asked several questions, including questions like, why did you choose this course? Why this particular university? Did you consider any other university? What are your future plans after graduation? Who is funding your studies and how? What is your course structure and how it will help build your career? The biggest mistake students make is trying to memorize answers to such questions, and this is easily identified by UKVI. They want to hear you speak confidently and naturally with a clear understanding of your plans. So you need to prepare well. That said, you must make sure that the initial paperwork that you provide as part of your finances is so strong that you are not required to appear for these credibility interviews. The rule of thumb is that if the UKVI feels there is something amiss as part of your visa application, they will invite you to an interview. And so what we have tried to do, and successfully so, is make sure that students have a very strong visa application, a compliant visa application, that they do not get invited to the visa interview, and their documentation is sufficient in order for them to meet the visa requirements. For students coming from countries like Pakistan, there is a unique requirement in the form of a medical test known as the TB test, and this must be completed from a UKVI approved clinic, the IOM in Karachi and other cities, and this must be taken within 6 months of your visa application. Without a valid TB certificate, your visa application cannot be submitted, and if it is, it will be refused. Now, how do you go about applying for your visa application? Once you have received your CAS and arranged a compliant bank statement, gathered all supporting documents, you're ready to apply for the UK visa. Firstly, you will need to create an account on the UKVI portal. You need to fill out their online student visa application form. Once you have done so and paid the necessary fees, you will upload all supporting documents and then book a biometric appointment at a nearby visa application center, the Jerry Center for Karachi and for other parts in Pakistan as well. The visa timeline is typically 15 working days, but in times when there is a rush for student visa applications, especially very close to the intake, this time can be longer and you have the ability to apply for priority visa. That said, we recommend students to complete all the necessary requirements well in advance so that they can apply for the visas as they are allowed to in the month of May or June and get the visa on time and have a very smooth process. But in order to do so, you must be committed to completing things quickly and well in advance. Thank you.